Whoa, I look ridiculous. What's good, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Wait, let me do that. What's good, y'all, and welcome back to my... Why I'm holding a lip liner? What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Sharni G, and welcome. So in today's video, super interesting. This video is basically a do's and don'ts when it comes to makeup. What inspired me to do this video? Glad you asked. Because like it's just a little stuff that I'm tired of seeing that I can't. Nah, all jokes aside, I'm serious. What really inspired me to do this was just seeing simple mistakes and stuff like that that could be avoided when doing makeup. So I feel like somebody was like watching me. So, FYI, let me just clear the air because I'm not perfect. I made these simple mistakes before. We all was on like this side before. Y'all may not see nothing really wrong with this side, but I do. So if you all want to, you know what I'm saying, interested in this video, then continue watching. Baby no, baby no. Oh, we are, I need to find my lip gloss. I need to find my, y'all know, y'all, oh crap, my good side. And this is gonna be the, wait. This is gonna be the do side, and this is gonna be the don't side. I'm not gonna prime this side of my face because I feel like girls forget to do that. He need to close his door or something. I can hear his no. I'm gonna take some rose water and I'm just gonna spray it on this side. Whew, that feels so refreshing. Like, but I'm using the NYX gel. I can NYX eyebrow gel, and the only reason I'm using this is because I ran out of my ColourPop brow pencil. I had to order some more, so I'm just gonna be using this dry ass shit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your brows are arched. I don't have much brows, so it's nothing to arch. Some real shit. And what a lot of girls do is they'll start like at the very beginning. Ooh, like they just fill the whole brow. Like, I mean, of course you want to fill the brow in, but ooh, whoa, that block them. This looks a hot mess, and y'all really be doing this little block. It's 2018, like, there we go. Moving on to the do side, sis. You got your notepad out? I don't never start from the tippity top, like way. And whatever leftover product I have, that's when I drag it towards the tippity top. And you don't need much product because it doesn't take much. Like, you want to go for like a soft, natural brow, like. And just lightly brush between that. Shades that I normally use, and I'm gonna take the shade that I think that y'all don't wash y'all mind with the concealer. Oh boy, this highlighted brow thing has to stop. It has to come to an end, bro. Concealer I'm using, Pro LA Girl concealer, the same concealer I've been using for years now. What I see is a lot of girls would do a light shade at the bottom and the same light shade at the top. Highlighted ring light looking eyebrow. Oh, that's not cute. A lot of people don't drag their concealer down. They just draw the line straight across. Look at this. Who said this was cute, sis? Who told you? Bro, I don't even want to do my makeup no more. Stop that. Like, that is not cute at all. Like, like I always say, and like I always tell anybody, that you want to use the shade that's closer to your skin tone for the top. Nice light shade, 1 to 2 shades lighter under the bottom of the brow. Ay, 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 amigo. Arch part my eyebrow like that so it can be easier to draw. Look at that. Look at that perfect brow. This highlighted brow is not cute. Stop using the same shade for the top and bottom. Y'all should know better by now. Moving on. I like to mix my foundations together. The Maybelline is the Black Opal. It gives me a perfect combo every single time I mix it. Have to stop matching your foundations with your hand, with your arm, with your whatever. Like, as close as possible to your neck. That's what you want to match with. And another thing, a lot of people always forget to blend like under their neck, and y'all are gonna, you probably won't be able to see in the camera, but if I was to do a flash test, you will see. I'm just gonna take a little bit. I don't never really go under my eye too much because I'm going to be putting concealer under my eye anyway. So when you use a beauty blender, and a lot of people don't like using beauty blenders, but it depends on the beauty blender. Like, because I've been through the hairstyle beauty blenders, the Family Dollar beauty blenders. Like, those are trash. I can say that. Is my foundation too light, or is that the camera quality? For the other side, I'm taking medium beige and fawn mixed together. I'm just gonna do a nice light contour. Not contour, did I say contour? Settle. Too bright. Like, I look super white. Like, y'all let me know in the comments. I don't know if I'm tripping, but okay. So you want to blend downwards too, and make sure everything is blended together. You never want to just blend in this area over and over again, because it's gonna look like that. Now we are going to contour. A lot of people do not cream contour. They use like a bronzer or something, like a powder to contour. I can say that doesn't look bad, but when you take pictures in the club with a flash on or at nighttime, it shows. Like, everything you highlighted and went back and set with the powder, that's gonna be the main thing that shows. You want your face all to be together. So I'm just going to contour this side. It's so important to contour because you want to bring that depth back into your face, like that definition. Like, so yeah, we are done blending. Make with banana powder, but it all depends on your concealer, and I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm not gonna even use the Sacha Buttercup. I'm gonna use the banana powder for both sides, just to give y'all a comparison that you can use a bright powder. It all depends on how, like, what you use to highlight, like what concealer shade. It's also important, to set any cream or liquids. It's just, I'm going to go back and set everywhere that I contour, and it doesn't take much powder. Juvia's palette, and this is the Masquerade palette. Just start sweeping it on there, and that's it. Like, people will literally do it like that and leave it like that. So just to give you a glimpse of just a soft brown, yeah, this one isn't net like right on. You want to get it as close as possible to that hairline, I guess. So yeah, one is super lifted, and then the other one, and then it makes it look super dramatic, and that looks ugly. My hair looks so freaking. So I'm sure everybody's favorite combo is like a nice brown lip liner with like a nice nude. Now for the nude, I'm taking this nip. This NYX soft lip cream. Yo, I look like, so this is like, I look like a clown. I hope you guys can kind of see the difference. This completes the tutorial. I hope that this video helps somebody out. I hope somebody took notes. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below. If you are new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe, sis. What are you waiting on? Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.